speed. We have a F360 that just came in. Car's completely stock. It's a good chance we wanted to give you guys a sound clip of a completely stock car. And we're going to be putting Fab Speed exhaust on it, just the Maxflo exhaust with tips. We'll give you a sound clip after that, but right now we're going to give you a sound clip and put this on. Give you a sound clip. This car's completely stock except for the Fab Speed Maxflo exhaust with dual quad tips. It's a 6-speed car, coupe. We're going to give you a sound clip inside. Let you hear what it sounds like. We're in second gear right now. Fab Speed Motorsport. We have it's a 2000 F360. The car is completely stock. It's got stock headers, stock catalytic converters. The only thing that was done on this car is we took the stock exhaust off. We put the Fab Speed Maxflo exhaust on with dual quad tips. Otherwise, the car is completely stock. We're going to give you a couple sound bites outside and let you hear what the car sounds like.
What?